Hello, I'm Mark, and in this video, I want to give you a quick follow-up or walkthrough of what I have been working during this week. So, yeah, I'm the founder of Cifral, which is a digital solution powered with AI um, consulting, we can say, but we also want to make products like QuoteGen. That's the one I'm developing inside the chip program at Lovable. So first of all, let me say thank you for your efforts doing this program. It's really amazing, and I think it's pushing me more to be more social, exposed my ideas, and move forward with what I want to do. Like pushing the the founders to do something or ship in 6 weeks is it's pretty good. It's what I actually need, and not being too lazy and put the work in. So sorry for the camera that it's not on, but it's my second time that I'm talking to a camera. Just install Loom, and somehow the camera is not working. But next time I will get it fixed, I hope. So I don't want to take too much time, but yeah, let's go into it. This is my main page, which I created with Lovable, and the backend is running on Supabase. Yeah, so Cifral, as I said, it has some services. These are the four main services that we offer. So we have some kind of four proven steps here. Um, yeah, mainly we have these four services that are not my priority right now. My priority right now is moving forward with uh, uh, a beta or some kind of MVP version of QuoteGen, right? So I just wanted to show this page because I have worked also on this to get a joint waitlist subscription, which it has several CTAs overall, where you can see you have one here, also in the main hero page, another one, and this is working. Then yeah, on the contact page, you also have a contact form where you can just ask for information about any of the services we offer. And if you just select one, I don't know, for example, this one, and you put your data, let's put something random. So you can see it will ask you several questions uh, in regards of each service you want. You can also get a free digital assessment report. This is a report we offer for free to make a small report about your business, your actual status, so to say. Yeah, what else? So in products, sorry, I have coaching as my main product, right? Here you also have some CTAs for the waitlist, and this is coming soon. I haven't managed to get a demo video yet because the app is not fully working. All the process flow for making a quote in the app is still on works. But yeah, you can just check the page if you want to get into some details. Just you can check it. I also make this kind of drawings, flow chart, or however it's called, in order to see a show and have a plan what I want to do with QuoteGen, right? So QuoteGen is a technical prospect or quotation generation using and combining these four pillars, so to say, AI models, company know-how, automation, and CRM integration. So it's not a substitute for the actual existing CRMs, but it's more something that you put on top of it. It's like an AI supercharged CRM. I will show you in a minute the application. So this is basically the process of creating a new quote where you just can use a template or do a custom one. Then you will select the customer that you want to make the template for the quote. Then put some sales data, product data, and generate the quote. Then quote. So you see you get data from you can put it manually, but you can also integrate directly from your actual CRM. So companies that are using a system or maybe an Excel file, I don't know, you will be able to import the CSV or just connect to your actual system. Then the AI model, this one. will take the product data and the company know-how database. So the technical stuff that only the company knows and they don't want to share with anyone, of course. So this will be managed securely and local or in a cloud base, but secure to generate the parts that you want to be generated by AI. So, for example, we have here an example of what a PDF or what a quote should look like. You will have a front page, which is your company, yeah, company name and some quote title, customer name, and whatever. Then you have different sections, like for example, an introduction, scope of supply, hardware, um, yeah, different kind of sections on the document, right? For example, you want that the scope of supply, that is some technical description or the introduction is generated by AI, and then other things like the hardware is just an item with one, I don't know, one number or just a table. You don't want it to be generated by AI. I don't know. For example, warranty item, maybe it's just a standard text and you just change the number of years you want to set up the warranty or the days. So it's maybe not needed to that the AI goes into that and generates all the document and then maybe is doing things differently every time and you get errors where you don't have to. Okay, then as I said, then you can generate the quote and then manage what to do with that quote here in the quote management. You can send it directly to the customer. You can, of course, this will be with previous approval, maybe from your manager or from any human person has to review the quote first, maybe. Yeah. So I will go into that when we go to the app. But yeah, mainly you can edit it, right? You have different levels like the pages, sections, and the items, and you can then you have some options on it where, for example, for the sections you have a name, type, and if you want that this section is AI generated or not. And the items as well. You can add some different type of items. And yeah, once this is done, you can export the PDF file, um, or you can just send it, as I said. Okay, so I think that's it. I don't have much more. Sorry, but yeah, I still on develop, so the product is not launched. But yeah, on the Cifral page, if you wanna check my QuoteGen, you can just sign in. I don't have any link on the website yet because it's not fully developed, or and I don't want that everyone can just go into that yet. But of course, you can check it out to give me any feedback is welcome. So you can just sign up and do create an account, and you will have access. I will try now to show you as quickly as I can, just around my application. So you have a dashboard with all kind of different um, panels, right? And you can, in new quote, as I said, you can create a new one from a custom, select a customer or add a new one, go select what type of quote you want. Like, as I said, you can have a very complex one, for example, a project quote where you have different phases, time planning, and so on. Maybe something more dedicated to service quote. Yeah, I will add some more categories, of course, here. And maybe a material quote, a standard product, easy or more simple quotation, right? And then you can just make steps. Uh, I will just go very quick. Create items or add from a catalog, right? I have some demo items here I can add. I will cancel this one, has no price, and review quote. So you can check everything. We put a customer, okay, create. Oops. Anyway, then it is created, but some bugs are on that one. You can also just select template you already have done and use this template, and then you will have everything that you create on your quotes managed. So you can here view it, duplicate, directly send to the customer or to send it to approval, right? As you can see here, you have different steps for the quotation, and you can also check which ones are expired based on the due date. On quote management, you have some analytics and a lot of kind of analytics that still on develop. So yeah, what else? You also have automation rules that are still also on development, but it's an idea to have automation. Then we saw this where you have items to add to your quotes. You can create some items, whatever you want, customers as well. Then the know-how database is where we will have all the secrets or internal data that each company will have to create their quotations. And it's different for each company because it's their own product, right? And their own way to do it. So this is, I think, one of the core parts of the application. Then I have this template library as well, where you can create your own templates. And I did this last day, which I think is pretty cool. It is like an own drag and drop PDF editor where you can just see that I can make the oh that one is that one is broken. I'm sorry. Um yeah, I'm still working on this. Yeah, as you see, you can add some different components, edit the components, the properties here, some pages, right? Or for making your own template as you want it, fully custom. You don't need Word, you don't need anything else. The idea is to make the app the only um, software you need to create quotes, review quotes, and generate it much easy. Yeah. So what else? So you can create the templates, then preview it in PDF. This is also in progress. Then save it and use it for your quotes or create a quote based directly from here on this template. Then you will have integrations. Still not applying, but it's yeah. Next week I'm planning to work on OpenAI integration to generate content. And yeah, you will also have the possibility to connect to a cloud system, a storage, sorry, cloud storage and CRM. And maybe in the future, DocuSign is also a thing that I could add. And also important is the settings where you will put your information from your company, where you, yeah, whatever you have will be used in every quotation. So if I put my name, so I cannot put my name, but I can, or maybe I can take it from the user in my account. But yeah, if I'm John Smith, then every quote will be signed with John Smith. Uh, yeah, and you can have different roles and so on. So that's basically what I have done during this week. It was very productive. I think my expectations was also to have a demo product video for this week, but I haven't been able to because the process of creating a new quote is not finished. I cannot, as you have seen, I cannot just sorry, if I go into quotes, I forgot this one. You can go to quote and edit one. You can create a new version of the quote. Uh, yeah, what else? You can, yeah, I'm missing the part of download PDF. That's why I cannot. And generation of AI or generation of content based on AI. That's the part I'm missing to create a demo video of the whole process as I explain it here. But yeah, I think that's all. And thanks for watching. Hope you watch until the end. And please, if you're welcome to check my website and my application. And I'm open to your feedback. Um, I was saying in the week update that I will submit now. Uh, I posted on the social media some posts because I was expecting to have my demo video done, but I couldn't. So I did some posting regards the waitlist, announcing my waitlist for QuoteGen, and I got some good feedback on it. So I'm happy on that. And also I I have the some doubts with how I should, for example, uh, add some uh, billing on this. Like, should I just build for QuoteGen and not the services for now? Or so should I focus only on QuoteGen? And that's one of my questions I have right now. Or what about my other services in Cifral? Are they, hmm, I don't know how to manage this one, these ones, but yeah, I think that's all. Thank you for your time and see you around.